Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on iPhone 15 Pro. And to do this, first let's try to find all of the speakers. First one being right here, then next to it is a microphone. And we're gonna check if that's a speaker, but I'm pretty sure that this will be the microphone. Then on top of our screen there's a phone call speaker. And then now if the sound is coming from both this speaker and this one as well, that should mean this device does have the stereo speaker. If not, then there's a mono speaker. So now let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from this speaker, this one as well, and not from this thing, and that is the microphone. So I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.